throw away expired beer. There are great uses for it. 1. Clogged shower. Take a bag. Pour the beer over the shower. Secure with a leather strap. Dirt inside. All the dirt is soaked out. The shower is instantly unblocked. 2. Diamond ring in beer. Soak for 60 seconds. The sparkle is restored. 3. Spanner rusts. Pour beer into a glass. Soak overnight. Another good spanner for 100 years. 4. Beer and salt. Fill a spray bottle. Spray on the glass. The glass is shiny and clear. Look for 1,000 miles. 5. Beer and baking soda. Spray on kitchen cabinet doors. Wipe gently. Clean as new. 6. Beer and toothpaste. Mix well. Put in a spray bottle. Spray on fridge stains. It will kill the bacteria. Eliminate odors. 7. Beer and salt. Add warm water. Soak clothes in kidney to make clothes soft and smooth. Never fade. 8. Baking soda. Stir baking soda and beer together. Pour down the drain to get rid of odors and small black bugs. Follow me. Learn more life hacks.